When I started my career, I set out to be a software programmer, and to tell you the truth, I was worried it was going to be a little bit of a grind. I got into the job and worked on a really important program in national security, and one day the chief engineer of the program came to our team of software developers and said, "I need to tell you a story." There was a fighter pilot that had been shot down behind enemy lines, and our technology had been used to find him and save his life. The chief engineer then shared that that fighter pilot was his nephew, and it hit me. It hit me like a ton of bricks. This technology really matters. I've been feeling that same sense of purpose and dedication to mission, that same excitement every day that I've come to work at Siemens. You see, the things that we're working on today are things that are needed by this world. Whether we're talking about the renewable energy or new energy management systems, whether we're talking about new healthcare applications, or about the future of manufacturing, all of those are applications that will benefit from technology, but are going to benefit people.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.